Hey BF dolls, I missed you guys so much. So I'm back with client tutorials. You guys really love my client tutorials and I'm glad to be back with them. Today I'm just starting with carving out her brows using this new brow brush that I got from Max Lux Studios. It's a really good brush so far. I'm liking it, so I'm just doing her eyebrows. There's nothing more satisfying than watching brows be done, and I rarely show when I do brows on my client tutorial, so today I just thought that I'd put more footage in, also just to fill in the fact that during this video I lost a lot of footage on the face part. But into my eyeshadow for today, I just wanted something that would pop with a little color and whatever. So I'm using one of my new Morphe palettes, the Sunset palette, something like that, I believe it is. And I'm just taking a blending brush, and first I'm just packing on, then I'm blending in the eyeshadows. So I'm taking these two brown eyeshadows at the bottom of the palette and I'm blending it into her crease. At first I'm just packing the colors on and then I'm going to start blending it in, as you can see, just so I can get the best color payoff. And then now I'm going to take this white eyeshadow base, because we're going to be using the neon pigment. I really want the colors to pop, so a white base will bring out the color, which is why I'm using that to kind of cut the crease. And I'm just packing it on and also blending it into like a cut crease into her eyelid, as you can see. And I'm just taking that neon pigment on a real thin brush. I kind of did like a winged liner look, but I took it away, the wing part, towards the once I start applying the glitter, so you guys will see that. Now that I'm done applying the pigment where I want it, I'm putting on my glitter base, which is the NYX glitter base, and I'm taking these beautiful glitters from, I forgot the name of the brand, but I will list it below in the description bar. I'm so excited to use the glitters that I bought from her because her glitters are super bomb. As you can see, this really pretty iridescent glitter. It's really cute. I know the look kind of looks a little crazy right now, but yeah. So this is where my camera went out during this part. After I applied the lashes and started on her face makeup, the camera went out, so you guys are really only see me applying the powder. But for the most part, at least I got some face footage. So now I'm taking my e.l.f. camo concealer. This is the kind of matte one. It's not the hydrating one, but it's still very good. Love it. The coverage is great. e.l.f. killed it with these concealers. Like, I will never stop using them on myself and my clients. If you guys haven't tried it, try it, but don't buy them all up, because y'all gotta leave me some. But yeah, so I'm just blending out the concealer. I let it sit for a little bit to get the best coverage. Tip for you guys, if you didn't know, when you're applying your concealer, let it sit for a little bit so it can give you the best coverage out of the formula, and then you blend it out. So I've done that, and now you see me taking my Sacha Buttercup and setting up under her eyes, her mouth, her chin, in the highlighted areas. This is and I'm contouring now. But yeah, as I was about to say, this is kind of where I lost the main face footage when I was applying like all the liquids. You just really only seen me apply the concealer, a little bit of the foundation. But this video still came together really good. So yeah, we still got, you guys still get to see the look overall. But yeah, now I'm contouring her nose, her face. I added blush. Now I'm taking a disposable lip brush and applying a black lipstick as lip liner. I use lipstick as, well, brown lipstick as lip liner. And I'm going to add my Nicki Minaj in the center, her lipstick from MAC. And yeah, that's the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this client tutorial. There will be more on the way. I loved how this look came out. It was so pretty, even more pretty in person. Like, it was gorgeous. Thanks to my beautiful model, my little cousin. Shout out to you. Follow me on Instagram, BF Barbs, and I will see you in the next video.